How to upload high-quality videos on Instagram and YouTube. If you want to learn how to upload videos without losing quality, make sure to watch the entire video carefully. Follow all the steps exactly as shown. And if you find the video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.